Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to crochet and we're making a bag. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm almost done. No, not done. I just started. This is gonna be a tote bag. Yes, so I'm showing you this. Hopefully it will not take a long time for me to finish this. Yeah, so it's big. It's a big bag. Looks like it's big. We'll see. Hopefully it is. I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks really good right now. See? Very fine, very neat. I'm just making my own design. Hopefully it will look good. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Let's see what happened. So I'm making this a little thick on this side, so that way I know this is the front of my bag. Okay, how long I'm gonna take? It's gonna take for me to finish making this bag. Otherwise, we'll see. Maybe it's not gonna. We'll see how long. It's supposed to be tote bag. Yeah. So we already did the base here. I wanted the big bottom because usually the one that I'm seeing on YouTube, this is thin, the base, but I wanted like a little thick the base. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna show just my hand. So nice.
Ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si los cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo, pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume
Okay, it's already 5 minutes, so I'm gonna turn this off. I started this yarn. I'm gonna try and make some bag. Hopefully I can finish it. Yeah, I started it already. So it's gonna be a tote bag. Let's see what it looks like after I'm done with it. This is the base. So looks good. We'll try, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna try it. You like it? I like this color because it's not that bright, light color. And it's cute. I need my own pattern. Some progress now. Hopefully I can make it a bit. Looks really good already. It's cute, no? The bag getting better. It's getting better. Yes, there's some progress. My bag is getting bigger. Yeah, this is the front of my bag. It's a tote bag, so we'll see what it looks like after. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, now I changed the color. And then I'm gonna switch it with the same later. Same color again later. This is gonna be my beach bag. Yeah. Yep. Let's see what it looks like later. It's a tote bag. Look at the update of my bag. Almost there. Ooh, it's getting better. It's big. See? It's big. Huh. It's getting better. It's cute. I didn't know I can do this. Ooh, almost done. Doing the handle.
All right. Well, your pulse is strong and your heartbeat is regular still.
Guys, I'm so happy with this. This is my crochet. I crochet this bag. See? Look, I crochet this bag. You like it? Nice. Well, it's not done. There's still something hanging there. This is the front, so cute. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.